Hello guys, welcome back to Card Hacks. I'm Edward Santos. Today we are going to look at Global Mapper. These are all-in-one GIS application from Blue Marble Geographics, having nice user interface, very easy to understand and very easy. Today we are going to look at how you can create a digital elevation model, export it for use in other softwares. Other softwares that I mean here is majorly Civil 3D. I've already opened the software. The application is running, and we'll quickly go to the functions. The software has a simple interface that is at a menu. On top of it, where the cursor is where you have the license, the registration of the software that you've installed. Then on the menu, we have this is where you open the files that you have used. That's where you download your online resource data, that is online map data. That is where command for saving. The map layout editor, if you are configuring the settings of your mapper tools, then overall overlay control. So as you go through each, you realize they have just made all this in one place, easy to use interface. So let's go directly to download a map. So this right now your computer must be connected, and because you want to create a digital elevation model, that is DEM file, we are going to need an elevation data, and at the same time we need a topographical map. So we'll start with the first one, which is a topographical map, world topo map. I'll connect to it and connect. Now it will go to the internet, download the world map. It is downloaded, and Global Mapper has this function that when you want to zoom, you see it is active here. There is a shortcut of alternate plus Z command. I won't use that. I want you to see this feature of dragging and creating a box. Then it zooms into that area. You drag, then you create a box, then you get into the area. What also you should note is that we are using UTM 36 South, WGS 84 as our reference mapping. So always ensure that that one is as per the area you're using. Yes, so it's asking you draw feature is nearly close. Would you like to create an area, feature, or a line? Yes, is to create an area. So we want to create an area. Then we give it that name we had given Kisumu County. Kisumu County. Feature. It is a county. Enter or a new or choose an existing name. So this created feature. Okay. Then okay. So this is our boundary done. Using that command of create line or area, trace mode, shift select. So that is what we've bound. So when we come to the map and select terrain data, said we want to do a worldwide elevation using 1 arc second resolution, and then we select entire data source bounds. That one will give us the entire world map, but what we want to do here is just to restrict to the source. Download within currently selected polygon. Doing this is going to download only for the Kisumu County, which you want to do. Selected that. Connect. Done. Now you see it has only done for that area, so that it's very critical doing that because it will help you, and also will help your RAM. Your computer will be very thankful because it is going to download only the data that you are interested in. There's no need of downloading data for the entire world while you want to use for a small area. Same this one, content interval 50, that is too much. Let's give it 1 meter. So you usually check on this so that it starts with the minimum elevation instead of the first interval. So it's generating contours, but and also it will just take a short period of time because we have just a small area. If you would have had a bigger area, it can take like forever. Now this one can take faster. It is already created, so I'll just zoom in to show you the contours generated. Now what we'll do, we'll come to the files, export option, and there is option for export elevation grid format. Click on that. It's a DEM file option. So okay, then we specify I want to save it. Now quadrangle name, this is Kisumu County. Now tiling, leave us as the default settings. Then say okay. For vertical units is in decimeters. Let's just use the meters, vertical units, so that that one is easier for the standard. Say okay. Then specify we want to keep it. We'll just save it Kisumu DEM file and save it. Give it time as it exports. Done. There we have your digital elevation model file created. Now we are going to close the global mapper. Still saving what we have done. I want to close it so that I open AutoCAD. I want to open Civil 3D 2020. It's loading right now. So I want to put surface from a DEM file. We click on that. Then we select our file that we have created, save in desktop. Open it, and it will be reading the points directly from a file we have done. Zoom extent. Now this is our Kisumu County done now on the Civil 3D. Our Kisumu County is here done. All the surfaces are done. Just to confirm that it is done, when you move your cursor, you'll always realize that a Z will be appearing. That is a clear indication that already you have done it correctly. Whenever you move the cursor within the bounds of the boundary we had created, you see. So that is how it is done. So this file, I can use it to do a lot of activities now. With the AutoCAD, I'll create an alignment. I can do a profile with it. So for example, let's do an alignment. Just want to do a random alignment. Randomly. Let's call it railway. Center line. Okay. We want to start from 0. Site. I'm not giving the site the name, but for post, select the layer. Rail is here. Okay. 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 Now, just want to do prefix points. Cutting across Sonoma County. Okay. Enter. It's done. Create surface profile. Is the railway. That is it. 91. That is it. So let's just add it. Then draw the profile. There's a square to do it. But it's a very expensive data. So do profile view. Next. Yeah, this one is simple. Automatic. Minimum is that 1134, maximum is 15, so we'll leave it to automatic so that it detects on its own. Good. Specify the origin. Right. So it's a very expensive data. Remember, we've just done a cross section almost throughout the Kisumu County. So you zoom it in, change is shown, and then it's showing you the OGL. So from the first point all the way. This is something you can edit as you wish. But it's basically that's how you work with the global mapper to create a digital elevation model file, which when you export to Civil 3D, you can use it to create your profiles and do your preliminary designs, preliminary drawings, etc. Even the urban planning, you can do that with it. So the goal to create a DEM file is made simple using the global mapper. It is a simplified all-in-one GIS tool, which I highly recommend. So guys, if you like this kind of content, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification anytime I post this kind of videos. I hope to see them. See you in the next video. Bye.